Reading English newspaper, Delhi cabinet headed by Atishi approves proposal regarding re-employment of bus marshals. Delhi cabinet headed by a Chief Minister Atishi on Saturday approved a proposal regarding re-employment of the bus marshals and sent it to the Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena for his approval, even as the event turned out chaotic with both BJP and AAP accusing each other of creating drama. In a dramatic event, Atishi, accompanied by BJP MLAs, also met Saxena and submitted a cabinet note to reinstate the bus marshals. However, it turned into a dramatic sequence of events with Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj getting laid at BJP MLA and leader of opposition Vijendra Gupta's feet, requesting him to accompany AAP leaders to the LG's residence to seek Saxena's approval, while the chief minister left her car and sat in the BJP leader's car. Reacting to the incident, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva slammed the AAP leaders and said the kind of indecent behavior witnessed today with the leader of the opposition Vijendra Gupta and BJP MLAs in the presence of the Delhi chief minister is proof of the anarchy in their party after the MLAs of both parties reached Saxena's house. AAP leaders accused the BJP MLAs of not asking him to sign the cabinet note and held a protest outside the LG's house. At least 27 people, including AAP workers and Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj, were subsequently detained with the police citing that they did not have any permission for the protest. The chief minister was inside the LG residence when the protest happened. Atishi lashed out at the BJP after meeting with the LG, saying the party has betrayed the bus marshals. Firstly, the BJP MLAs were not ready to come to meet the LG, but we managed to get them with us somehow. But even after coming here, they have not asked the LG to sign the cabinet note even a single time, she said. Bharadwaj, who was also detained, said BJP LG have betrayed 10,000 bus marshals. BJP MLAs said that if you pass the cabinet note, they will get the bus marshals reinstated from LG. But LG Saab has not signed the cabinet note. He will be cursed by 10,000 bus marshals. Moreover, AAP national convener and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday expressed pride in the relentless efforts of the party's ministers to secure the livelihoods of the bus marshals in Delhi. I am proud of my ministers who go to any extent, even laying at people's feet to get work done for the people, Arvind Kejriwal tweeted, reacting to a photo of Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj laying at the feet of Gupta. Further, he asked the BJP and LG to not politicize the matter and said, I request the LG and BJP not to politicize this issue further and to immediately reinstate the bus marshals to their jobs. Over 10,000 civil defense volunteers deployed as marshals in public transport buses were removed last year after an objection was raised by the Directorate of Civil Defense that they were meant for disaster management duties. Earlier in the day, the BJP MLAs met the Delhi Chief Minister over the issue of reinstatement of the marshals. The Chief Minister said the cabinet will meet immediately to pass a note on reinstating the bus marshals and appealed to the BJP MLAs to join a delegation to take the note to the LG for his approval. AAP leaders claimed that the BJP MLAs refused to go to the LG office after the cabinet passed the note and tried to leave the meeting. Thank you guys for watching this.